Welcome, it's Liam again. Today, I'll show you how to integrate your ProductGo user story map with Confluence page. First, ensure that you have both the ProductGo and user story map for Confluence apps installed on your Jira and Confluence instances. Next, make sure you have a user story map in your Jira instance. This will be the board you'll be displaying in Confluence. To display the board in Confluence, go to ProductGo Admin Settings and in the board setting, turn on Enable Confluence Integration. Then click Save. Now, go to your Confluence page and create a macro. To find and add the ProductGo macro, type /ProductGo or use the Insert Element option. Choose the board you want to add and select the display options for your user story map. You can include cards, backlog, personas, and swim lanes. Click Insert to add the story map to your Confluence page. After publishing the page, you can view your story map from this page. Click on each issue to open it in Jira and make edits. For full screen mode, use the corresponding option. To edit the macro, go to Edit Page, then find the pen symbol below the story map and make your changes. And that's how you integrate your ProductGo user story map with Confluence. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.